Firstly, open the website of Indian Embassy in Russia. Embassy website will be open. After opening website, there will be a link blinking on the first front page or home page of the embassy, that is registration for Indian nationals. Then we have to click on what's the new information, and in what's the new information there is one point mentioned, that is important information. We have to click on that important information. After clicking on the important information, we have to read all the information which is mentioned in that context. For Indian nationals, including Indian students in Russia who wish to travel to India, Indian nationals holding Indian passports, including all Indian students studying in Russian Federation who seek to return to India, may kindly fill up the form following link. We have to click on that link and fill up the form, all the necessary information. Third point which is mentioned in this, it is stated that the purpose is only to collect the relevant data, not any decision yet to be taken. The embassy will provide all the information according to the latest information provided by the Indian government. It will declare all its important information on its social media account. The things we have to mention in this letter, that I am an Indian passport holder. Now I am living in Russia. I want to go to India. On my wish, I will follow all the rules and regulation which is stated on the Indian Embassy website, and I will go under 14-day quarantine uh, at the cost of mine. Means I will pay for that 14-day quarantine, and I will also pay for the COVID-19 test. The main form which we have to fill for the when we have to go to India, it is your registration form. Registration form for Indian national who are now in Russia. It is stated that the purpose is to only collect relevant data and no decision has to be taken. As I have already told that not it in addition has to be taken, and some few point we have to mention in that. You have to write your full name according to passport, your age, your gender, passport number, domestic state, in which state you are living or in which union territory you are living, your full address in India with pin code, name of the university in Russia, telephone number, your Indian telephone number, and we have to write the reason why you are going to India. Means that those who are facing deportation by foreign government, migrant, resident, those who fed with medical emergency, like that. You have to choose your student, profession, worker, or tourist, or visitor, or any cabin crew, or fisher, or others. You have to choose any of the following deported category and say yes or no. That means you have done COVID-19 test or not. If you have done yes, then you have to write yes or no. Undertaking to Embassy of India, Moscow. There is few most important 4 points that they have mentioned, is that it is hereby confirmed that my willing to return to India in accordance with term of the embassy. I confirm my readiness to follow all instructions given by the official of Government of India, Embassy of India, aircraft crew, medical personnel on arrival. I agree to bear applicable airfare that will be charged by the airline concerned.